how to withdraw USDT from Bitget to Binance. So after you open up now your phone like this, go and open up now your Binance app to copy the USDT address. So now after you open Binance like this, go to asset. If you come to asset, go to deposit. From this deposit, now go and select this USDT. After you select the USDT, now select the network, choose BNB network. So from this option, now tap on this copy address. Now I copy the USDT address from my Binance. So now go and open the Bitget app. Here is the Bitget. After you open the Bitget like this, now go ahead and tap on this search in the home. So from this search, go ahead and type in with. So by typing with, now it will give you option for the withdrawal. Here is it now. Select this withdraw, this one. After you select the withdraw, now it will give you the list of coins. So here is USDT. If you can't find the USDT from this list, go ahead and type a search for USDT. So here is the USDT, select it. After you select USDT, tap on this on-chain withdrawal. From this option now, it will ask you to type in the address. So I'll just go ahead and type in my address that I copy. So now go ahead and select the network. The network is BNB. Here is it now. So here is now go ahead and specify the amount. So the minimum amount of USDT you can withdraw is $10. I'll just go ahead and type in 20. So from now, if I tap on this withdraw button, now the money will be sent into my Binance account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.